In this topic, we are going to discuss about technology used for solid waste management. So let us start with the information and technology. The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change launched a web-based application in 2016 to track and monitor waste management in India. So in 2016, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change launched a web-based application to monitor waste management in India. The application integrated waste management system collects information and assists in coordinating waste generators, recyclers, operators of disposable facilities and state agencies. So the application integrated waste management system collects information and assists in coordinating the waste generators, the recyclers, the operators of disposal facilities and the state agencies. Now we are going to discuss about the innovative technology for plastic treatment. So the Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad has developed a new technology to recycle waste polystyrene using an agricultural waste and develop it into a non-woven fabric. So IIT Hyderabad has developed a new technology to recycle waste polystyrene using an agricultural waste and develop it into non-woven fabric. Polystyrene, for example, thermocol, is a non-biodegradable material that leads to serious impact on health and environment as a waste. This fabric can selectively absorb oil and are hydrophobic. Therefore, it can be used for a wide variety of applications ranging from kitchen napkins to flexible packaging to oil spillage remediation. So the fabric can selectively absorb oil and are hydrophobic. So therefore it can be used for a wide variety of applications ranging from kitchen napkin to flexible packaging to oil spillage remediation. So this is the first such technology which utilizes two different types of waste, that is plastic and agro waste together. The technology was developed by Dr. Chandrasekhar Sharma, who is Associate Professor, Department of Chemical Engineering, and his team, and the project was supported under Waste Management Technology, WMT program of the Department of Science and Technology. Now let us discuss about another innovative process to manage wet municipal solid waste. So, a research team from IIT Kharagpur has adopted a process called Hydrothermal Carbonization for the Indian conditions, which can effectively manage mixed municipal solid waste with high moisture content. So the process called hydrothermal carbonization was adopted by the research team of IIT Kharagpur for the Indian conditions, which can effectively manage the mixed solid waste with high moisture content. Through the process, most of the mixed municipal solid waste can be converted into biofuel, soil amendment and absorbents, the Premier Institute said in a press statement. The current waste burning process adopted from the developed nations are primarily focused on treating drier waste content. This process requires high energy input to combust municipal solid waste generated in India, which has high moisture content due to tropical weather, open collection systems and mixed waste. Using the existing processes, only 20 to 30% of organic fraction of municipal solid waste is being recycled to biofuel. This led us to develop a technology which can address the challenge indigenously, set by the lead research Professor Brajesh Kumar Dubey from the Department of Civil Engineering at IIT Kharagpur. So, what are the features of this technology? The technology converts organic fraction of municipal solid waste into hydrocarbon by using a batch reactor. The moisture in the waste is used to the advantage of the process, which uses water for the reaction. The process has increased the resource recovery yield to 50 to 65% of urban organic waste. The key to the success of the technology lies in the designing proper industrial scale HTC reactor with improved heat integration system. The process novelty lies in the use of water for the reaction. Thus, the moisture in the municipal solid waste gets used during the recycling process without requiring any removal of moisture from segregated waste, wet waste or high energy intake. So, where the process novelty lies It lies in the use of water for the reaction. Thus, the moisture in the MSW gets used during the recycling process without requiring any removal of moisture from segregated wet waste or high energy intake. Another novelty of this technology is the zero waste scale is reached through this process. Once the organic waste is entered into the process, the output generated are all usable, including the water, which can either be reused in the process or can be converted to biogas or methane through anaerobic digestion. So these are the features of this technology. Now we will discuss about some other treatment methods for solid waste. So let us start with thermal treatment. Incineration is the combustion of waste in the presence of oxygen so that the waste is converted into carbon dioxide, water vapor and ash. Also labeled waste to energy method, it is a means of recovering energy from the waste. Another method is pyrolysis and gasification. So in this method, thermal processing is in complete absence of oxygen or with less amount of air. Now, biological treatment methods. This involves using microorganisms to decompose the biodegradable components of waste. So there are two types of processes, aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic, this needs the presence of oxygen and includes windrow composting, aerated static pile composting and in-vessel composting, vermiculture, etc., where anaerobic digestion takes place in the absence of oxygen. Now, landfills and open dumping. Sanitary landfills. It is the controlled disposal of waste on land in such a way that contact between waste and the environment is significantly reduced and the waste is concentrated in a well-defined area. Dumps are open areas where waste is dumped, exposing it to natural elements, stray animals and birds. With the absence of any kind of monitoring and no layer shed collecting system, this leads to the contamination of both land and water resources. So with this, the technology involved in solid waste management comes to an end.